In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove parental control from Google account. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Google. Now navigate to the option All Services. Then you'll need to scroll down. You're gonna find the option Parental Controls. Click on that. Then click on three dots in the top right corner. Select Stop Supervision. You will be asked to read and understand the consequences of stopping supervision. After reading through, tap Stop Supervision to proceed. There will be a 5-minute lock period, but once that passes, it will change to 24 hours. If you want to speed up the process, you can use the Parent Access Code. To do that, tap the Parent Access Code button in the bottom right. You'll need to get this code from parent's device, either through the Family Link app or the Family Link website. Once you enter the code, supervision will be stopped. You can then tap close in the bottom right and wait for the process to complete. And that's it. You have successfully removed the parental controls. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.